Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you searching for the best large capacity air fryer oven to upgrade your kitchen in 2026? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 large capacity air fryer ovens that deliver incredible cooking performance, spacious interiors, and versatile features. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or tech lover, these models can help you prepare delicious meals faster and healthier. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and additional information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top kitchen product insights. Product number 1. Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Large Capacity. The Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Large Capacity is a stylish and highly functional appliance designed for families and home chefs who need extra cooking space. Its elegant French door air fryer oven allows easy access to a spacious interior that can accommodate multiple dishes simultaneously. Equipped with advanced air frying technology, it delivers crispy and evenly cooked food using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. This large capacity air fryer oven feature means multiple cooking presets, making it easy to air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, and dehydrate your favorite meals. The intuitive digital controls simplify operation while ensuring precise temperature management. Its spacious cooking chamber is ideal for preparing family-sized meals, meal prep sessions, and holiday gatherings. If you're looking for convenience, versatility, and modern kitchen aesthetics, the Gourmet French Door Air Fryer is an excellent choice that combines performance and value. Product number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Extra Large Capacity. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Extra Large Capacity is built for households that require powerful cooking performance and exceptional versatility. This premium appliance combines the functionality of a traditional oven with modern air frying capabilities, helping users prepare healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Its extra-large interior easily accommodates large pizzas, whole chickens, and multiple trays of food, making it perfect for large families and entertaining guests. Advanced convection technology ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Multiple cooking modes allow users to bake, broil, roast, toast, and air fry with ease. The durable construction and user-friendly controls provide reliability and convenience for everyday cooking. Whether you're preparing weeknight dinners or weekend feasts, the Cuisinart Air Fryer delivers impressive results while reducing cooking time and energy consumption. Product number 3. Kalorik MAXX Complete Air Fryer Capacity. The Kalorik MAXX Complete Air Fryer Capacity stands out for its innovative technology and exceptional cooking speed. Designed to replace several kitchen appliances, this versatile unit combines air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, broiling, and toasting into one powerful machine. Its TurboMax technology helps cook meals faster than conventional ovens while maintaining excellent texture and flavor. The spacious interior allows users to prepare large family meals with ease. Multiple accessories expand cooking possibilities, making it suitable for everything from crispy fries and chicken wings to baked desserts and roasted vegetables. The digital control panel offers precise customization and easy operation. For tech enthusiasts and busy families seeking maximum versatility and performance, the Kalorik MAXX Complete Air Fryer is a strong contender that delivers professional quality cooking results from the comfort of home. Product number 4. GE Convection Toaster Oven Large Capacity. The GE Convection Toaster Oven Large Capacity is a dependable kitchen appliance that combines traditional oven functionality with efficient convection cooking. Its spacious design allows users to prepare larger meals while maintaining consistent cooking performance across various recipes. Featuring powerful convection technology, this oven circulates hot air evenly to promote faster cooking and better browning. Multiple cooking functions provide flexibility for baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, and reheating meals. The large interior easily fits family-sized dishes, making it ideal for everyday use and special occasions. User-friendly controls and durable construction contribute to a reliable cooking experience. Whether you're preparing quick snacks or complete family dinners, the GE Convection Toaster Oven offers excellent value, versatility, and efficiency. Its balance of performance and practicality makes it a worthy addition to any modern kitchen. Product number 5. Oster 10-Function Air Fryer, Large 26-Quart Capacity. The Oster 10-Function Air Fryer, Large 26-Quart Capacity is a versatile appliance designed to simplify meal preparation for busy households. Its generous 26-quart cooking space accommodates large portions, making it suitable for families, meal prep enthusiasts, and holiday cooking. With 10 cooking functions available, users can air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, dehydrate, and more using a single appliance. Advanced air circulation technology helps create crispy results while using less oil, promoting healthier cooking habits. The spacious interior allows for cooking multiple foods simultaneously, saving valuable time in the kitchen. Easy-to-use controls and preset cooking programs make operations straightforward, even for beginners. Combining convenience, versatility, and affordability, the Oster 10-Function Air Fryer delivers impressive performance and excellent value for anyone looking to maximize kitchen efficiency. Product number 6. Media Flexify Classic French Door Large Capacity. The Media Flexify Classic French Door Large Capacity Air Fryer Oven offers an excellent combination of modern design, large cooking capacity, and advanced cooking technology. Its stylish French door configuration enhances accessibility while adding a premium look to any kitchen setup. This versatile appliance supports multiple cooking methods, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating. Advanced convection technology ensures efficient heat circulation, helping food cook evenly and quickly. The spacious interior is ideal for preparing family-sized meals, meal prep batches, and entertaining guests. Digital controls and cooking presets simplify operation and reduce guesswork during meal preparation. Home cooks and fitness-focused users will appreciate its ability to produce crispy, delicious results with less oil. Overall, the Media Flexify Classic delivers convenience, flexibility, and strong cooking performance in a sleek, user-friendly package. Thanks for watching our top 6 large capacity air fryer ovens review. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite model, and subscribe for more reviews. Don't forget to check the links below for pricing and details.